Hey guys, here is a 48-inch Hunter Summer Breeze ceiling fan from the first quarter of 1987. This fan is in polished brass and it has, I can't remember what those blades are, somebody can tell me. But this fan I got at Habitat today, and I saw it sitting on the shelf in the box, and when I got it, the pull chain was missing. So I went to the manager and I talked them down. I ended up getting it for like $5. So, yeah, it came 100% complete. Other than that, though, had a light kit on it, but I decided not to show that on the video. But yeah, so I opened up the switch housing, and not only was the pull chain just totally missing, the 4-wire capacitor was also missing. So I had to improvise for the video, and I just took a capacitor off of another 90s Hunter that I had and put it in this just to demonstrate it. Sooner or later I'll get a capacitor for it, but for now this will do. Has some bearing noise, but I'm not too concerned about it. But yeah. Here's low. It also came with the original Hunter pull chain, which was kind of surprising. Came with the mounting bracket, even the mounting bracket screws, and you know how hard they're going to find, or they are to find. Looking at the box right now, it's replaced with a Harbor Breeze Springfield tube. Oh boy, whatever. It's really quiet on low speed. It's medium. The finish is in very good shape. The blades have some scratches on them, but you can just flip them over to the other side. But the finish, the brass, is in really good condition. I don't think I've ever had a Hunter that had brass in this good shape. But let's move the amount of air. I'll go high speed. Get off a nice good breeze. Blades are in pretty good alignment as well. Tag is up there, yeah. 87, made in Taiwan. Just the logo. But yeah. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.